For this stretch, you're going to start with a full-size foam roller and you're going to land it vertically, as you can see. That's going to support your body, and it's also going to force your chest to stretch and open up because your arms fall to the side of the foam roller and allowing those muscles just to relax, getting you into the opposite position you spend most of your day in. Now what we're going to do with our arms is we're going to move them in a rainbow or a jumping jack position from our side up to over our heads. The goal here is you want to keep your fingertips onto the ground and keeping your arms relatively straight the whole time. During this exercise, it's going to be very common that you want to reach for the floor and force it. When that happens, you're going to most likely arch your low back, and at that point, you're not really stretching your shoulders and your chest, you're just arching your back to make it happen. So take a big deep breath. Anytime you feel like a really sticky point, big deep breath and breathe out and try to let that chest and shoulders relax. Over time, as you do this exercise, you should get closer to the floor. This is a good exercise to add into your pre-warm-up every day that you work out, especially if you have a desk job.